saluta.
Ciao! Ciao a tutti!
This is the last time I listened to people told me I guess it's better to lose my pride before I ever lose mine. I'm all around but you don't know harm. Where are you? Everybody needs somewhere to hide, to get over the world left behind, but she never coming home. Time's got to say goodbye. Skies are full of stars we cried, but now our hands will be torn apart. Our hands will be torn apart. You make me someone like this, so far from what I used to be. The years never seem so happy.